In the previous video, we finished the train body with the holes. You can see there's a little plus sign down here, which is hidden by my menu. I created another part studio, and what we're going to create is our smokestack. So to walk through this process here, we're going to draw this in the side profile. So this shaded area is what we're going to draw. We're going to create a sketch. We're going to place it on the front. And we're just going to start with a 0.25 vertical line. We're going to move to the right, 0.1875. And again, I've done all the math, converting the diameters here into radiuses. And then we're going to go up 1.25. We're going to go to the right, 0.25. We're going to go up 0.25. And then we're going to go to the right, 0.1 inches. Now I'm going to get out of my line tool. I'm just going to move these dimensions so you can see them a little bit more clearly as we're going through this. Now I'm going to grab my line tool again. I'm going to start at the base here, and I'm going to go over 0.25. I'm going to come up 0.25. Now this is, that line wasn't 0.25. Let me redimension that line right there. Yeah, I wanted up 0.25. I'm going to delete that off. I'm going to delete this one off. Escape that tool and delete that one off. There we go. So I'm going to go up 0.25. Now, my next line is 1.3 inches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dimension this line from the end point to the center line to be 0.625. And because I didn't have that other line dimensioned, I'm going to delete this off, meaning it's not black, it's blue. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to redo that because I had that error. I'm going to go 0.25. There we go. Now I'm going to do that 1.3 inch line. I'm going to come here and dimension from the end of that line to the center point, 0.625. And then I can simply connect my line tool from here to here and hit enter. Whoop. Coming back into that sketch. I'm going to take that dimension off that line. That's not needed. And what I can do then is I'm going to click my revolve axis. I'm going to choose my center axis right here. I can green check mark it, and I now have my smokestack built to specifications. Now, obviously, there's other ways to do this. You could do this with the loft function and using holes. But I'm going to come into my assembly now. I'm going to insert my train body. I'm going to insert that smokestack I just built. And I'm simply going to come up here to my fasten mate. I'm going to choose the middle center point of that hole to the middle center point of that smokestack. I can green check mark that, and we now have our smokestack attached in here.